Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, that's YT Learning. First of all, please subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon so that you can be notified for my upcoming videos. Here I am with this new video over the notes of acid, bases and salts. Guys, this is one of the important, or I can say most important chapter of class 10 science. The PDF link of this notes is provided in the description below, and yeah, this note is made by keeping in mind the questions asked in 10th board exams previously, and hence it covers each and every topic of the particular chapter. So what are you waiting for? Check description and download my handmade notes, and also suggest me the topics on which you want me to make notes. So thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone.